In today's video, we are going to show the proper mounting of the positioner kit ZZ0687, including an MVQ301, a solenoid control valve, and a throttle plate to a spring return actuator. On our actuator, you can see here is our pressure port and here is our exhaust port. Before mounting the solenoid and throttle plate, please verify that these are properly aligned with each by having both labels in the same orientation. When mounting the solenoid to your actuator, please see the orientation for having the solenoid, inlet pressure port, and exhaust port properly aligned with the actuator ports. On the throttle plate and the solenoid, you can see that 2 is going to be our inlet pressure and 3 is going to be our exhaust port. Lining up with our actuator, we can see that we have 2 aligned with our inlet port and 3 aligned with our exhaust port. The throttle plate screws are closed out of the box from the factory, so no airflow will be allowed to exhaust. A best practice to get started is to verify that the throttle plate screw valves are fully closed by turning the slot head screw clockwise until it bottoms out. Once you have verified both throttle plate screws are closed, turn both screws 2.5 turns counterclockwise. This is a starting point for setting the speed of the actuator movement. If the travel speed is too slow or too fast, you can adjust the valves to fit your desired speed. As always, you can check out our website for helpful information on any of our products, or contact us at info.us, at ifm.com, or call into 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.